When I was a child, I didn't quite have the experience in school. You know, it wasn't an enjoyable experience for me. I didn't used to like going to school, and I wanted to really change that. So I did lots of work experience in schools, and then it really clicked for me that I wanted to be a teacher.
I used to be a personal trainer. I realised the passion I had for teaching younger children rather than personal training adults. And I went back to university and did my PGC. And from that, I come back into teaching, and it's the best decision I've ever made, really.
The best thing about it is the children, because it's new every day. You never know what to expect, and they're always giving whatever they're doing. So it's pupil-led, which is inspirational.
One of the biggest enjoyments in my time in the army was making a difference. And when I looked at the opportunities outside the army, being fairly young, still at 40, I thought the most attractive one to make a difference was teaching.
I always felt privileged by the fact that I had teachers who were so dedicated and so motivated to help me to learn. It was always something that I was going to do. I think that teaching very much is a calling, and I think that I knew firsthand that from probably about the age of 14 onwards that it was the calling for me. If you look sort of deeper with any teacher, you can see that they love their job. And I think that if you're able to recognise that, then instead of being scared of it, it makes you desire to go into teaching.
Just that sense of seeing the world with a sense of awe and wonder, and just realising that you could make a difference.
I've always wanted to be a teacher since I was in sixth form. I saw my design technology teachers and thought the job looked enjoyable and rewarding, and decided that's what I wanted to go after.
It's about all those little steps that we have an opportunity to make a difference with, that just gives children opportunities for their future education and for their adult life.
Within your first week of doing your teachers training, you know, I think you see that children actually are lovely, lovely people, and you can have so much fun with them. They keep you young, you know, they keep you cool, and yeah, no, it's a great profession. I'd advise anyone to do it.